In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube Music Premium. We will walk through it together, step by step, so you can follow along on your own phone. Start by opening your device's App Store. On an iPhone, tap the App Store icon on your home screen. It has a blue background with a white symbol. On Android, open the Google Play Store. The icon looks like a multicolored play button. Once the store opens, you should see a search bar at the top and some featured apps below, which lets you confirm you are in the right place. Now, tap in the search bar at the top of the screen and type YouTube Music. Make sure you include the word music so you do not land on the regular YouTube app by mistake. As you type, suggestions will appear under the search bar, and you should see YouTube Music in the list with the familiar red and white logo. Next up, tap Get on iPhone or Install on Android next to YouTube Music. On iPhone, you may need to double-click the side button or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. On Android, the button will change to a progress circle while it downloads. Wait until the download finishes and the button changes to Open, which means the app is fully installed on your device. Once that is done, tap Open in the store or find the YouTube Music icon on your home screen and tap it. The app will launch to a welcome screen with the red Play logo and then show a home tab with recommended music and playlists. If the app asks for permissions like notifications, you can choose what you prefer. It will not affect your premium purchase. From there, sign in with your Google account. You will see a sign in button near the top if you are not already logged in. When you tap it, a list of Google accounts on your device may appear, or you can add a new one. Pick the account you want to use with YouTube Music since your premium subscription stays tied to this account on all your devices. After that, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube Music app. If you do not use a photo, you will see a colored circle with the first letter of your name instead. A small menu will slide down with several options related to your account and settings. At this point, select Get Music Premium from that menu. The app will open a new screen that explains what YouTube Music Premium includes, such as ad-free music and background play. You might also see different prices depending on your country and any local taxes, which is normal. With that ready, choose the available premium plan and complete the payment. If you are eligible for a trial, YouTube may show a trial option on this screen, often with the trial duration written clearly. Select the plan or trial you want, confirm using your device's normal payment method, and wait a moment. When the payment is successful, you will return to YouTube Music and see premium labels and ad-free playback on songs. You have now installed YouTube Music and activated a YouTube Music Premium plan on your phone, so please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple app guides.